Greetings. Welcome. My name is Dan DeStasio, and I am your instructor for ENG123, and I want to welcome you and tell you how excited I am to be spending the summer with you and how I hope this is going to be a very beneficial and exciting time for you. ENG123 is really a foundational course. It focuses on writing a persuasive paper with research and the composition of that paper and the ability to do research and cite it accurately in one of the accepted forms, AAPA or MLA, is very important for all the courses you will have going ahead. So first, just again, I want to introduce myself. I am down here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where it is very hot, but it is very beautiful, and I have been teaching at SNHU for almost 2 years, and I've been teaching online at various schools for nearly 7 years. And my philosophy is I really like to try to take the distance out of distance learning, and that means that I like to be real, I like to be accessible, and I like to hopefully communicate with you and develop a relationship that will help you grow in your writing. And so, with that, first I would like to invite you to visit my instructor page. There you will find some information about me, how I love to eat and run and travel, and I have family in Italy and all kinds of interesting, at least interesting to me, facts. But most important, you'll find my contact information, my email, office hours, and my cell phone. And I invite you very strongly to stay in contact with me. Reach out for help if you need it. I'm fairly easygoing. I like to stay in contact. You can text me if you'd like to have a phone call. Just kind of send out a note, text or email, and say, "Can I call you at X?" And we'll set up a time if you need additional help. Don't spend lots of time trying to figure something out that maybe could be cleared up in just a few minutes with a conversation. So please, I'm accessible. I invite you to do so. So reach out if you need help. Next, just note that each class starts, a course starts on a Monday and ends on a Sunday each week. And all assignments are due by Sunday, end of day in your time zone, with the exception of discussions. We have 3 discussions in this course, and the initial post for the discussion is due on Thursday. So please try and get in. The discussions require some interaction with your fellow students, and that's a really good thing. So try to get in by Thursday so that you can get some response and have some conversation with your peers. Grading is due within 7 days. I usually grade much faster, but please, if you're concerned about a grade or you feel something's amiss, don't be afraid to let me know. We'll discuss it. And finally, just a note about the course itself. This course is a process of leading you to a final persuasive essay with research. Each week, you will gain some skills. You'll build your topic. It is a series of steps. It's kind of hard to miss a step. In the first week, you'll think about a topic, and then you'll submit notes on that topic. Then you'll submit a plan. You'll write a draft, revise it, and then we'll get to week 7, and you will have a finished persuasive essay. Along the way of all these steps, you're going to be gathering some really important skills: how to compose an essay, thesis statement generation, how to do research, how to cite and format your manuscript correctly in either APA or MLA. And so, it's a lot to do. But I'm sure you're capable. We got 8 weeks. What I did on my summer vacation. I learned to write a research paper that gave me the foundation to succeed and graduate from college. Perhaps that's what you'll do in your summer vacation. So listen, I look forward to it. I typically post a video like this on Wednesday evenings, kind of a catch up. Try to keep it short. And so take a peek. Let me know what you think. Looking forward to it. Let's get started.